This is the unboxing of a Norwex package addressed to Angela. It's a pretty big box, not all that heavy. So I open it up. Lots of packing in here. What is this? This could be maybe, I don't know, like maybe a large box of chemicals, Norwex, not really sure, but big box. So opening it up, remove some of the packing material, get all the packing material out of here. There's a lot of packing material. I think the box might only be packing material. Okay. Okay, I've got down to the bottom of the box. Oh. It's a brush for cleaning bottles. It is a small brush in a very large box. As you can see, brush. Yeah. Awesome.